All right, now we move on to cone. So volume for a cone, volume equals 1/3. We can't use uppercase B just because you can, I guess technically you can, but we're applying it now with the circle. Sorry about that. So you want to use pi r squared for the area of the base times the height. So r is still our radius and h is our height. So keep in mind, when you look at the formulas for a pyramid compared to a prism, it's the same thing, it just has a 1/3 in front of it. When you look at the formulas compared to a cylinder and a cone, it's the same thing, it just has a 1/3 in front of it. So the two items we need to know what our radius is and we need to know what our height is. So keep in mind, it is not the slant height. We are only focusing on the actual height itself, which goes from the top of the cone or the bottom of an ice cream cone straight to the center of the circle of the base that we have. So in number 1's case, the radius is 9, we have that, but 15 is the slant height. So this is the height that we want right here. So you're gonna have to do the added idea of using Pythagorean theorem to get the height itself. Sometimes you get nice numbers. H squared is 144, so h is 12. Sometimes they are going to be decimals, but anticipate that. And then for volume, it's 1/3 pi r squared times h. Put that all together. That is a lot of numbers to put in, so be careful. And you get 1017.88 inches cubed. Okay, all right, jump over to number 2. So we need the radius and we need the height. So this is a cone that got tipped over. So 5 is the height, we have that. 4 though, that is the diameter, which means that the radius is 2. You don't want the whole entire thing. This value is equal to the diameter. So volume is 1/3 pi r squared times the height. Put all that together and you get about 20.94 meters cubed for that. Okay, so as you continue down the line with these notes, they are all the same types of questions. It's just more practice problems. So what I want you guys to do is to do them on your own. I'm going to put the answers here so you can double check yourself. But again, make sure that you are comfortable before moving on to the actual homework itself. Each of these problems that I'm writing the answers for right now is similar to something that we just did in 1 or 2. So there's really only 2 ways that these problems can be presented. Okay, just keep in mind for this last one right here,